Yo, guys, only young people can hear this sound. People more than 25 or 30 years old can't hear this sound because this sound frequency is low. Well, guys, you can try it with your parents. Please don't use headphones while hearing this high-pitched sound. Read the description for more information. Are you ready, guys? The sound is coming now. Can you hear this sound? Try again if you can't hear. Like and subscribe our channel to make me happy. And tell me in comment who is hear this sound. Thank you so much for watching this video.